Okay, Kofi. So, well, finally, I don't know what time it is now, but let's go over with this. I found the problem. So, the problem was with this window, it was going up. Actually, the diagram for that S84 tire /2, it's not the back, it's the front. My diagram was wrong, so it is what it is. So it took me a while to figure this out, but anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're going to open the roof. You're going to see these switches and do what they have to do. Waiting for the roof is doing what it has to do. Opening. Our importance is the micro switch that we have an issue with when windows roll up. With engine is running, that's important, because when engine is running, then we have more pressure. So this particular solenoid, not the solenoid, the piston, it would extend, but then it would stop, and then when the window would push it up, then it would disengage micro switch. So that took me a while to figure out, but anyway, so let's go close it. So we want this S82/2 to be in open position when window rolls up, and that's what I have corrected. The roof is closing now. Open position, so the window now. Lots of garbage, they didn't pick it up for 2 weeks. So as you see, I'm holding the switch, and in previous video you can see that it would switch over to close, and now it's not doing it anymore, so we're actually good. Oh, that's it. So this roof is done. The roof is done, works. I'm gonna probably cycle it a couple of more times, but the thing is the pump overheats because too many times I'm cycling this roof. That switch in the back, by the way, I took it apart, and actually it was off also because there was something wrong with that, and I actually relocated it, and now it works much better anyhow. So once more, this is the last time because I don't want to overheat the pump. You're not cycling your roof so many times. I mean, not supposed to, but so we have open, and then rear locks are a little off. There it goes. I'm gonna actually go check out the rear locks anyway, because I think I have to bend the actual stems, the one that go down, because I don't like the way it does not want to close. But I mean, you can release the switch, and then the roof becomes less tense, and then they drop in, and then they reactivate. But we want to do flawless, so that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, we're good to go, man. We're good to go. Finally, this thing works. Roll bar up quick, down quick, so we're okay. So we're finally it's all day, man. So it's like what, 8:30, and I started at like around maybe, I don't know, 1. So long time, but we're good to go. Didn't finish my agenda with other cars, but anyway, so this is finished, so we're good. The codes, let's take a look at codes. No faults. This is roll bar, no faults. We cycled it a few times, no faults. So this is great result. Finally, all the switches are on point. Okay, so that's it. I'll talk to you in a little bit. And we're ready to go. So the engine runs good. Actually, I drove your car, and I actually do see believe it or not, I do see the tuning. It actually revs up differently from other V12s I've seen, and acceleration is actually it's different. That is different. So you know, now I can see that tuning actually does it does change the engine performance. Actually, I'll just go rev it up because I've seen so many of these cars and I can tell that this one is different. Mine is different because of catalytics. Yours is different because of tuning. So here's acceleration. This is crazy actually. You know, I would never thought in my life that this engine can be tuned that way. Because oh, you got the white LEDs too. That looks nice. Look at that, just a slight tap on the gas. Nice, very nice, bro. Very nice. I'd actually really liking this. That's just like a tiny bit of touch in the pedal and it revs. RPM go up and down a little bit. Yeah, well, I guess that's because of the tuning, but this is awesome. Okay, so we're going to cut it quits. I have to be going, and I'll talk to you very soon. All right.